Hey YouTube, I'm back again with another video, guys, and in this video I'm going to do a quick review and unboxing of a laser projected keyboard. I got this to review for you guys. I'm going to put the link down below so where you can buy it if you guys do like this video, which I hope you guys do. So I already took off the top box, but it works with Android, iOS, Windows, and BlackBerry. Sorry, the camera won't zoom. There we go. And on the other side, it's compatible with smartphones, tablet PC, desktop, and video game consoles. Okay, so let's check the back really quick before I take it out. So that's what the back says. Features. Let it focus again. So those are the features. Go down. Okay, so now let's take it out. It's not that big, guys, as you can see right here. It's going to be a pain in the butt taking it out. Okay, so there's the cord to charge it, of course. So put the box to the side or on the bed over here. Here's the book showing you how to use it, the user manual, which should be pretty simple. So let's see. Okay. How the product works, blah, blah, blah. Connecting via Bluetooth. Okay, so I just got connected via Bluetooth. It doesn't seem that hard. So I'm going to take it out. Okay, put that to the side. So this is it. It's pretty small if you ask me. We'll take off the plastic wrapping. Boom. And look how nice that is. So there's a side, so you just power it on. Okay. And as you can see, the keyboard is right there. Okay. So now we're going to go to Bluetooth. Just a photo like. Okay. So settings. General. The Bluetooth right there. Bluetooth is on. Okay. It's going to ask to connect. Keyboard. Click it. So it's going to connect to the keyboard. It's connected, okay. So now we're going to go to notes and let's going to see if it works, okay. So my phone's right there. It does work, as you can see. Let that focus. Okay, so I'm going to click in the U. I'm going to click 9. So it does work, guys. Delete. It's not deleting for some reason, but I'm pressing delete. But it does work if you ask me. So you can put Despal Carlos. Despal Carlos. Nope, damn, I forgot the A. But yeah, so it does work, guys. As you can see right there, the keyboard looks pretty cool. I did it on a flat surface because it has to stand up just like that. But it connected to my phone really quick, as you can see. And it does work, guys. And if I can remember the price is maybe 25 bucks. And it is worth it. That could be an awesome Christmas gift right there. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up, subscribe down below, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, guys.